PMEs natin. So let's start with the 7 cooperative principles. First is voluntary and open membership. So pag sinabi po natin voluntary and open membership, no one is forced to become a member of a cooperative. So I assume, I actually hope that you are not being forced by anyone to join this PMES and eventually be part of JERS Credit Cooperative. No, pangalawa is democratic member control. So as member of a cooperative, all of us have a say. So meron tayong voting power in making crucial decisions for our cooperative. So hindi po dahil mas malaki ang contribution ni Sir Vincent over Sir JL and Ma'am Joanna, mas makakapag-decide po si Sir Vincent. No. Lahat po tayo, whether malaki or maliit ang contribution sa ating cooperative, we have one vote. So pare-paras po tayo, equal po tayo. Pangatlo, members' economic participation. When you say economic participation, all of the members of a cooperative, or at least sa Jeras Credit Cooperative po, meron pong money or pera na nilagay sa cooperative. So for purpose of operation, para po mapalago, mapautang, ibang mga purposes like investment and others. So lahat po tayo, lahat po na existing members ng cooperative, specifically Jeras, meron pong tinatawag na nag-avail po sila ng share capital. So ito po yung participation, economic participation ng members ng isang cooperative. Pang-apat, autonomy and independence. So ibig sabihin po nito, wala pong government organization or even uh, government body that can dictate how we operate. For as long as we operate according to the bylaws, according to the laws and order, or within the limits within the limits set by the Cooperative Development Authority and the law as well. So sabihin, kung nasusunod po natin yung mga nakalagay sa bylaws, nakalagay po dun sa limitation na binigay ng CDA, hindi po tayo pwedeng diktahan kahit po ng sino, even most especially private institution. So, yun po ang kagandahan doon. Panglima naman po, education, training, and information. So, being part of a cooperative, isa po ito sa mga maraming benefits na makukuha ng mga member because we are actually encouraged to create seminars for the educational improvement or progress of our members. So mga trainings po natin, for the previous months po, marami tayong mga na-conduct na training, free training dito po sa Jeras Credit Cooperative. Some of them are about taxation, some of them are about social media marketing, meron na rin pong mga health and wellness, and others. So part po siya ng benefit na binibigay sa mga members ng cooperative or at least sa Jeras Credit Cooperative. Pang-anim naman po is cooperation among cooperative. So tayo po dito sa Jeras Credit Cooperative, we are a member of a union dito po sa Baguio City, cooperative union. Sabihin, meron pong ibang mga cooperative located within CAR or Cordillera Administrative Region na dito po nag-ooperate na kasama natin sa isang organization. So ano po ba ang benefit kung party tayo ng isang union? So ibig sabihin po yung mga cooperative na well advanced in years, mas may experience po pagdating sa operation, mas may mga resources po, mas may mga means po sila para po magpatakbo ng isang organization, pwede po tayong humingi ng tulong sa kanila. Not necessarily financial, but we can tap their expertise. We can ask questions. So, paano nyo ba na-improve yung pagpapalaguan yung pagdating sa credit operations nyo? Paano kayo nagbibigay ng magandang benefits sa mga members? So, we can ask them. So, we can benefit from the experience that they gathered or they gained for at least so many decades as by operating as a cooperative. So tayo po, JRS Cooperative, you'll know kung gano'n na po tayo katanda or katagal as cooperative later on during this presentation. So number 7, last but not the least is the concern for community. So kapag naging member po kayo ng isang cooperative, hindi na to lamang about you as an investor, as a depositor, as a member of the cooperative, but it also means that kung nasan po ang cooperative natin, right now, Jeras Cooperative is operating here in Baguio City or the region of Cordillera, yun po ang community natin. So we participate in developing and helping the community. So if you heard a couple of months ago, yung public market po natin dito sa Baguio City na nasunog po. So yung malaking naging damage po yon in terms of the finances and of course, in livelihood ng mga manininda sa mga nagtitinda po sa Baguio City Public Market. So Jeras Credit Cooperative is one of the organization po na tumulong agad. Not necessarily financially, but we gave our manpower para tumulong sa rehabilitation. So naglinis po tayo, tumulong po tayo sa pagpapadala ng mga ilang mga gamit para po mapabilis yung pagbangon ng public market. We also did just a couple of months ago, meron po tayong tree planting. So purpose naman po of course is to replace yung mga puno po na tumutumba or ginagamit for other purposes dito po sa Baguio City. So, as you can see, kapag kumikita po ang cooperative, you'll see the bylaws, within the bylaws natin, yung articles of cooperation, kapag full-fledged members na po kayo ng cooperative ng JERAS, makikita nyo po ito na mandatory po na portion of the income of the cooperative, kailangan po siyang gastusin for the development of our community kung nasan tayo. So, hindi po siya lahat ng kinita ng cooperative for a year or kung ano pong period, lahat po ay ibibigay sa mga members. No, meron po doon mandatory, sabihin kailangan nakalagay po sa batas na a portion of our profit as an organization, as a cooperative, kailangan po siyang gamitin for the benefit of the community. Okay. Moving forward, okay, so sino po ba si JERAS Credit Cooperative? Again, sabi ko kanina, very sure na first time nyo siya nakita or narinig yung pangalan, or even nakita nyo lang siya because of the Facebook ads na ginawa natin for the past week. So, for us to appreciate more about JERAS Credit Cooperative, I invite you all to watch this video about our organization.
Hi, I'm Antonio Paulo Jimenez. I'm a CPA and financial advisor by profession.
I am Marilu Kenyo, an ex-audit professional, now a freelancer or entrepreneur.
Hi, I'm Gino Jimenez, a graduate of bachelor's degree in industrial engineering.
I'm Harvey De Jesus, an accountant by education.
Hi, I'm Kishel, a graduate of BS in Business Administration. Year 2016, I started working with Sir Paulo as her private secretary based in Manila.
I started the venture with Sir Joma and Mama Lu way back 2016. We met Sir Janice and it was really a leap of faith. We just trusted our instinct and did diligent prudence about the business. Our struggles were mostly when we were starting. We have to set up everything from scratch. And when we present our investments, the common feedback was too good to be true. But at the end of the day, we delivered. And that's the time people start to trust us and we grew in time.
Starting the cooperative, we thought that the struggle was actually putting together clients and forming the minimum number of people required to put up the cooperative. But thankfully, we were blessed that we have so many supportive clients and that they are also inspired by our vision.
In the current era that we have, the only way to move forward is to step up or evolve, and that is by having a cooperative. Having said that, we are now well equipped in terms of legalities and compliance to our government's rules and regulations. Of course, not to mention the benefits of cooperative like tax exemption, government affiliations, and etc. But the most inspiring and topmost purpose of our cooperative is in line with our vision and mission.
Open your eyes to golden light. There's a world of wonder painted in the sky. What a beautiful sight.
How did we establish the cooperative? Of course, it is because of my brother Joma. At first, I was hesitant to put up cooperative because I know that it is hard to invite people to be your officers and board. But before I started, I have already given up. but I had a deep talk with Sir Joma, and through his wisdom, I was able to visualize a community of sharing, excellence, and sustainability. I was fired up to continue with our venture.
So much to be found.
Our vision for Jerry's Cooperative is to empower members to create general wealth. We want to create financial independent members. We want to build a sustainable community that will provide livelihood programs and valuable collaborations to enhance the society's quality of life. And we want to support socioeconomic activities and extend assistance to the underprivileged.
Mission, by creating financially independent members, by building a sustainable community that provides livelihood programs and valuable collaborations to enhance the society's quality of life, by supporting socioeconomic activities and extend assistance to the underprivileged locals.
It's all waiting for you.
10 years from now, I would like to see that we are almost halfway to our ultimate goal, and that is to have a hospital owned by the cooperative. We have to admit that here in the Philippines, we cannot really rely to our government for our healthcare. It is a fact. So while we, at our prime, we need to take action. Let's own a hospital that will prioritize our members and community.
10 years from now, with the undeniable passion and dedication of the board of directors and officers, and of course with the unwavering support of the members, there is no doubt that the JERAS Cooperative will be one of the soaring multi-purpose cooperatives bringing honor and beneficial programs to the Cordillerans.
10 years from now, we see the cooperative playing a major role and positive impact not only to the people of the Cordilleras, but even to the entire country.
So 10 years from now, I can see that Jerry's Cooperative will be a sustainable community whose members will offer different services with each other.
The main goal of the cooperative is really to help members and the community in whatever ways we can, especially through the services of the cooperative, which is extending credit and offering high-yield deposit accounts to its members.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the beautiful souls behind all these successful businesses. A special thanks to Sir Paulo and Ma'am Marilu for carrying me throughout the journey. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to be one of the board of directors of JERAS Co-op. Maraming salamat sa inyong pag-akay sa akin na hindi ninyo pinaramdam na ako inyong empleyado. Hindi nyo pinaramdam sa akin ang gap na kahit alam kong you are way too far from me when it comes to career and financial stability. Feeling ko tuloy mayaman rin ako eh. So, thank you for the generosity and I couldn't thank you enough for all the good things you have been doing to me since I became part of the team. Thank you.
To GFS and clients, families, and friends, thank you for all the support and trust. We did it. We are already far from where we started, but still, we will achieve greater heights. So hold on, and our journey is just starting. Thank you.
It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning. Chase the sky, watch us shine. It's in our eyes, burning bright.
Okay, so nakita niyo po yung a little story or um, information about our cooperative, Jerez Credit Cooperative. So to answer some of the questions kanina, sabi nga, ano ba expectation ng mga nag-attend ng PMES natin na to? First is, what is a cooperative? I just want to know kung sino po dito yung member na ng any existing cooperative, no? Sino po ba dito? Please thumbs up naman, pa-react naman ng thumbs up para malaman ko po kung sino po yung member na ng isang cooperative. And so, wala pa, no? So, yan. So, basically, a cooperative is an organization or samahan ng isang ng mga tao having the same mission and vision and core values. For example po, meron pong cooperative ng mga doktor. So, of course, we know that their goals, or we can assume that their goals, mission, and vision in life is to really, and the reason why they form a cooperative for doctors is, first is, of course, for the benefit of their patients. Pangalawa is to benefit, for the benefit of them as well as professionals. So, meron naman pong mga cooperative din na pagdating po ng sa mga transport and operators, jeepney transport operators. So, common po yan dito, lalo po dito sa Baguio City. So, ang purpose naman po is para mas magkaroon sila ng boses, yung organization po nila kasi nagsama-sama po sila. Tayo naman po dito sa Jeras Credit Cooperative, since we are a credit cooperative, the main goal really is to provide uh, to lend financial or to give financial assistance through lending sa mga members natin. Of course, we understand that may mga iba-ibang reason po bakit natin kailangan ng pera. First, most common siguro is kailangan lang natin ng konting pangtawid sa mga gastusin natin sa pang-araw-araw. Pangalawa, we have businesses that you want to expand, so may imposible po siya for kailangan po ng infusion, pag-infuse ng panibagong capital for our business goals or expansion to be achieved, di ba? So marami po tayong purpose. So just to give you an idea, lahat po ng cooperative starting the recent years, kailangan po mag-start sila as credit cooperative. So nakita nyo po kanina sa video, if you watch closely, ang goal po talaga ng Jeras Cooperative ay maging isang multipurpose cooperative. So kapag sinabi po multipurpose cooperative, we can offer multiple types of products and services sa mga members natin. So pwede po tayong mag-engage sa ibang businesses. For example, a grocery or gasoline station and other profitable businesses na makikita po natin na pwede natin pasukin. But in the meantime, for the next 2 years, we are required to function first as a credit cooperative. Okay, so now it's about time to discuss our core values, mission, and vision. So bakit ba sobrang importante na aware kayo sa core values, mission, and vision ng Jeras Cooperative? Very important po. Bakit? Kailangan po, before kayo maging part ng isang organization, especially when there's a financial aspect to it na involved, is kailangan sold out po kayo sa mission vision, especially sa core values ng organization. Dahil po kung hindi, magkaroon po tayo ng, I would say, conflict kasi hindi kayo agree or hindi kayo sold out sa vision, and core values organization na sasalihan. So ano po ba yung mission, vision, and core values of Jeras Credit Cooperative? So first, our mission is to create financially independent members and build a sustainable community. So that's the very heart of our organization na naniniwala po kami na kapag yung mga members po natin dito sa Jeras Credit Cooperative maging financially independent po, sabihin hindi po sila limitado ng finances pagdating po sa paggawa ng mga decision in life, mas marami po silang matutulungan. So hindi po sila yung mga tao na kailangan tulungan, but mangyayari po, sila po yung magkakaroon ng ability to help other people. First, their family, and of course, relative, and other friends as well. So, yun po ang heart natin na hindi lang po mag-provide ng magandang products and services sa members natin, but also to teach our members to how to do proper financial planning and personal financial planning para po sa mga sarili nila. And to our vision is to empower our members to achieve generational wealth. So when you say generational wealth, ito po yung tipo ng wealth na hindi po magtatapos sa generation natin. So I understand that most, if not all of us here are working or have businesses. So ibig sabihin po yung mga pinaghihirapan natin sa generation natin, pinagtatrabahuhan, yung mga pagtitipid po na ginagawa natin. Ang goal po ng JERA ay para po matulungan po tayo na maipasa ito sa next generation natin, whether our children or close relatives or the people na gusto nyo pong pagpasahan, pinaghirapan nung kayamanan. So yun po, isa po sa mga ituturo ng cooperative kung paano po siya ma-achieve. So next to that is GCC or Jeras Credit Cooperative will be one of the top 10 cooperatives nationwide. Hindi lang po dito sa Baguio City. In terms of assets, yan. So in terms of assets by 2023. So at 2033, I mean, so meron pa po tayong 10 years to achieve that. And of course, by your help, kapag naging member po kayo ng cooperative ng Jeras, I'm sure that you can help in terms of providing your expertise, yung mga experiences in your life. Of course, yung economic contribution po na gagawin ninyo. So we also be the biggest co-op employer in the Cordillera region. So isa rin po ito sa pangarap, sa goal ng Jeras Cooperative to provide and create jobs kung nasan po tayo. So right now po, ang community natin is the Cordillera region or Baguio City to be more specific. So isa po sa mga goal natin yun na mag-create ng job because we understand that for people to have a better future, kailangan po nila magtrabaho. And that's our very hard to help the people around or within our community. And as for the core values of Jeras Cooperative, Jeras Credit Cooperative embodies the virtue by upholding respect in our organization, creating an environment of accountability, honesty, and trust. We value growth, synergy, and innovation in building a sustainable community. So, kung napansin niyo po kanina, nung pinanood niyo po yung video about Jeras Credit Cooperative, most of us are millennials. Actually, all of those people na nasa video kanina, millennials, sabihin po, none of us are lagpas sa 40 years old. So, yun po yung composition ng management. But some of the board of directors mas advanced in years and experience as well. Makikita nyo po yun. Papakilala ko po yung mga board of directors ng Jeras Credit Cooperative. Ayan. So, sabi ko nga po, ito po yung board of directors natin. So, you can see that we have a good mix of millennials and those who are advanced in years and experience pagdating po sa pagpapatakbo ng mga negosyo. So, our chairman of the board is a certified public accountant, Mr. Paulo Jimenez, as well as our vice chairperson, Ms. Marilu Queño, also a CPA. We have Kishal Pinkian as part of the board of director, Bayron Pulok as part of the board of director as well. Ma'am Claire Regala, a certified public accountant and currently taking law. So siya po ang ano natin. She is also part of BIR. So kumbaga kapag may mga compliance po na kailangan mag-submit or mag-comply ang cooperative, we are pretty much sure that we comply to the regulation of the Bureau of Internal Revenue because we have Ma'am Claire Regala as part of our board of directors. So one of part of also our board of director is Ma'am Nancy Valencia, a well-experienced businesswoman na actually shares the experience that she has when it comes to running a business. And of course, last but not the least is Attorney Jolani Sapyat. So we have a lawyer, an in-house lawyer. So kumbaga, we are pretty sure that pagdating po sa taxes, sa compliance to government regulations, we are well covered. So makikita nyo po na we have an in-house lawyer. So lahat po na action or move ng Jeras Credit Cooperative, we are very sure that we are working within the limits of the law. So hindi po tayo gumagawa ng mga illegal kasi meron po tayong lawyer. So si Ma'am Jolani, Attorney Jolani Sapyat po ang unang-unang sisita sa atin kung we are operating beyond the limits of the law pagdating po sa operations ng credit cooperative. So here are the current list of board of directors pagdating po sa Jeras Credit Cooperative. And of course, pag in the near future, if you have the interest to run as part of the board of directors, kapag qualified naman na po kayo and there's a vacant position, you can also run. So pwede po kayong tumakbo and share your expertise as well. Okay, so yan. So tama po yung nakikita nyo sa screen. So established last January 13, 2023. So this year lang. So wala po tayong 1 year. In a couple of months, magka-first year anniversary pa lang po ang Jeras Credit Cooperative. So bago-bago pa lang, no? Sobrang bata po ng cooperative natin. So if you know someone from the Cooperative Development Authority here in Baguio City, You probably heard about Jer's Credit Cooperative because we are somewhat recognized as one of the fastest growing credit cooperative pagdating po sa operations in terms of asset because you'll see that as of September, so end of last month, just a couple of weeks ago, meron na po tayong 94 members. Okay, so 94 faithful members ng cooperative natin. And the total share capital or contribution na binigay na po ng 94 members na yon, in total is already more than 10 million pesos. I tell you that some of the cooperatives here in Baguio cities have been operating for over a decade pero hindi pa nila nare-reach yung ganito kalaking capitalization. But because of the trust and confidence of the members, of the 94 members na meron tayo ngayon, we were able to achieve 10 million share capital, more than in a span of what, 6 months, 7 months pa lang. So that shows that we are working with due diligence, no, with the trust and confidence of our members. And of course, the total member deposit, so mga nag-avail na po ng products and services ng cooperative natin, ang total amount na po is 18 million pesos. So, scattered po yan. So, meron po nakalagay sa regular savings account, meron din po sa long-term time deposit accounts. Mamaya, papakita ko po kung ano yung rates natin pagdating sa time deposit and even sa regular savings account natin. So, this only shows that though we are a new cooperative when it comes to establishment, January 13 pa lang po tayo na established, but in terms of the operation, we are quite big. So, kapag ganitong size po ng operation, meron po kasi classification for your benefit, no? Meron po classification ng CDA pagdating sa mga cooperative. Meron po sila natawag na micro, small, medium, and large cooperative. Ang basis po nito is a total asset. So, having almost 30 million of asset, so ito po, nakita nyo sa screen nyo, we are already classified unofficially as, I think, medium, if not small cooperative. So within less than a year, na-classify na po tayo unofficially as medium cooperative. So we are very confident that with the growth that we have right now, in as little as 9 months, mas mapapalaki po natin ito kapag mas dumami mo po yung mga members ng cooperative natin. Very important. So ano ba yung Jer's Credit Cooperative po ba, compliant siya sa mga legalities or regulations ng government natin? So aralin natin, no? So very important, no, because with the current news about scam, about operations, ayoko na lang po magbangkit ng industry, baka po meron po sa inyo nagpapatronize ng ganung industry. But my point is, para po maiwasan yung mga scam, kailangan po yung organization na sasalihan nyo, most especially kapag maglalagay po kayo ng hard-earned money nyo, should be in compliance with the agencies na kailangan nila maging reporting. So sabihin po, pagdating po sa cooperative, we should be reporting or under the authority of Cooperative Development Authority of the Philippines. So siya po yung parang nagmamonitor ng operations natin as a cooperative. So may mga regulations po sila, may mga limitations, may mga requirements na kailangan po in compliance po ang JERA's cooperative and other cooperatives as well para po mabigyan tayo ng permit to operate. Next to that is, as mentioned earlier, is the BIR. So we have to be registered with BIR. But generally, cooperatives are exempt from taxes. So yun po yung isa sa mga benefits naman sa pagiging part o pag-ooperate sa cooperative na compliant sa mga regulation kasi nakakuha tayo ng tax exemption unless we will be operating beyond what is the usual operation ng cooperative natin. So may mga limitations din siya. But in general, our operation, or at least as of now, our operations are, though we are registered with the BIR, pero tax exempt pa po tayo. So last but not the least is of course the permit to operate or the business permit from the City of Baguio. So kung hindi po tayo nag-comply sa mga requirements, pag-submit ng papers, sa pag-inspect na ginawa ng City of Baguio, hindi po tayo mamibigyan ng permit to operate our business permit. So as proof, ito po yung mga documents natin. If you have time, you can visit our office. Pakita ko po yung address natin kung saan po located yung office natin. No? Para you can see for yourself if ito po mga papers, mga registrations, sa mga permits na pinapakita ko po sa inyo are really in existence. So kung talaga bang totoo or valid itong mga papers ito, you can inspect it for yourself para po meron kayong first-hand experience. Okay, so moving forward, what are the core products and services ng JERA's Credit Cooperative? First is the high high yield deposit. Okay, gusto ko lang pong malaman, I assume, so sorry, so this is my assumption that all of you, to kayo pong nag-attend sa PMES natin ito, meron po tayong mga personal bank accounts, so yung mga bank account natin, whether sa BPI, BDO, Metrobank, kung ano po yung mga kilalang bangko. Can you type po sa chat box natin kung magkano yung annual interest na alam nyo po na nakukuha nyo dun sa deposit accounts nyo po sa mga bangko nyo guys. So, pa-type po sa chat box kung ilang percent po yung nakukuha nyo sa deposit accounts po sa mga bangko nyo po. Yan, sige po, pa-type po kung aware kayo, kung familiar or may napapansin pa ba kayong mga interest na nare-receive sa deposit accounts nyo sa mga iba't ibang bangko po na meron kayo. Yan, wala nagtatype, mukhang wala na po tayong nakukuha mga deposit, no? So, I mean, wala tayong makukuha interest sa mga bangko natin. But in reality, totoo naman po na sobrang liit na po ng interest per year na nakukuha natin sa mga bangko. So, some of them are, actually most of them, if not all of them, gives less than 1% per year sa savings account natin. Siguro pag time deposit account sa mga universal bank or yung malalaking bangko would probably give more than 1%. Of course, may mga requirements po ito. So, ganun siya kaliit. But if you are familiar with inflation or yung pagtaas po ng bilihin natin, you are also aware that the interest na nakukuha nyo sa mga bangko nyo is not enough, is not sufficient, no, pagdating po sa pagtaas ng mga bilihin. So, next to that is low interest loans. Of course, as credit cooperative, nagpapautang po tayo sa mga members, sa mga qualified members po natin. So, low interest, gano'n ba kababa yung interest na meron tayo sa loans natin? So, okay po. Next is financial literacy. So, sabi ko nga po kanina, one of the goals of the cooperative is that to help our members achieve generational wealth. So, para po maging possible yon, kailangan po natin na turuan or tulungan yung mga members natin maging wise po pagdating sa finances nila. So, just to check if okay pa po tayo, can you please thumbs up, pareact naman po ng thumbs up natin para lang po aware ako na kung gising pa tayo or baka tulog na tayo, no? Sige, pa-thumbs up naman po. Yan, sige po, pareact po ng thumbs up. Okay. Ayan, sir. So, thank you po for that. Ayan, Sir Vincent, sila Sir Hailey, Sir Drew. Yan. Okay, so, ayan. So, gising. Good to know. Nagising pa tayo, no? Don't worry, malapit na tayong matapos so you can have your dinner after this PMES. Okay, so, can you see the interest rates or can you see my screen? So, ito po yung savings account both for regular and time deposit products po ng cooperative. First, is the regular deposit account. Our regular deposit account, since it is regular savings account, it is withdrawable anytime. So anytime po na kailangan nyo pera, you can come here sa office, process your withdrawal. So we give 7% interest per annum. So 7% interest right now, dun po sa regular savings account natin, sa co-op, sa Jeras Credit Cooperative. I mean, I'm pretty sure that this is a significant amount of interest already. Kasi aware po kami na yung mga iba pong cooperative or at least yung mga bangko po na alam namin cannot give this much of interest sa mga regular savings account nila. Pagdating naman po sa time deposit accounts. Okay, so pagdating naman po sa time deposit accounts natin na may holding period, just like any other normal time deposit products, meron pong holding period. We give as much as 18% per year if ilalock in nyo po ng 3 years yung pera nyo with us. Of course, may mga bracket po ito. Yung details po ng bracket, I will email it to you once we're done with the PMES. So 18% per year na binibigay natin if you will decide to put your money sa co-op natin for the next 3 years. And of course, habang bumababa po or kumukonti yung holding period, mas lumiliit po yung interest na binibigay per year. But still, I'm sure, I'm confident that malaki pa rin to. Malaki pa rin to because most of our members, talagang they always come to us and say na mas malaki yung binibigay nyo over other financial institutions. So, for the currencies, kung meron po sa inyo na nagtatabi ng other currencies, specifically US dollars, we accept US dollars as your deposit, whether regular or time deposit, tatanggap po tayo ng US dollars. So, ang interest po na makukuha nyo, if you put in dollars as the currency, in US dollar din po namin kayo babayaran. So, ganun po. Ganun po ang agreement natin dito. If peso po ang ilagay nyo sa savings account nyo, peso nyo po, I mean, in peso nyo matatanggap yung interest. While if you put in dollars, dollars po makukuha nyo. So, for the minimum amount of deposit, 10,000 lang po. 10,000 pesos or if kung dollars po is around $200. So, yun po ang minimum natin for the deposit products natin. Yan. So, if you have questions, you can reserve your questions mamaya po para po masagot natin. Just park it or better, i-type nyo po dun sa chat box para po hindi nyo na makalimutan yung tanong nyo pertaining to the products or the savings account product po ng JRS Cooperative. Then, I will answer it later kapag po malapit na tayo matapos sa PNBS. Again, wala pong holding period kapag sa regular deposit account. Kapag sa time deposit account po, just like the usual time deposit product po ng mga bangko, we have holding period. So, meron po lock-in period na tinatawag. And we accept peso and US dollar as a currency of your deposit products po sa atin. Okay, currently, we have this loan. So, meron po tayong tatlong loan products pagdating mo sa cooperative natin. So, we have petty cash, emergency, and special loan window. So, most of this loan naman po are self-explanatory except I think for the special loan window. Pagdating po sa special loan window, ito po yung mga pwedeng i-avail ng senior citizen, yung mga person with or differently abled person, yung mga kapatid po natin na PWD, so senior citizen, PWD, and students, I think, kasama dito students. So, meron po sila mas mababang interest compared to the other type of loan. Kung makikita nyo po dito, 2% per month, 10% per annum, kung akala nyo po mataas siya, I disagree because mababa siya. For the reason that ang basis po, again, ang basis po ng interest is the diminishing balance of your loan. So, sabihin po, kung nag-loan po kayo for, let's say, emergency loan, 100,000, qualified po kayo for that amount of, nag-qualify po kayo for that amount of loan, tapos yun po ang kinuha nyo, 100,000. Tapos, nag-installment po kayo for the next 24 months. Diminishing balance po ang basis ng interest. Sabihin, kung nakapagbayad po kayo ng total of 50,000 na, inibayad nyo po dun sa loan nyo, ang magiging basis na lang po ng interest is not the whole 100,000, which is kalahati na lang, 50,000 na lang siya. Kaya po yung effective interest rate na tinatawag, mas mababa po siya compared to the public, compared to the published interest rate. So, mas mababa po siya. Of course, before you avail, once you are qualified to take out loans sa cooperative natin, we will give you parang sample amortization table. Doon nyo po makikita. Yung sinasabi ko po na mas magandang basis ang diminishing balance compared to the whole amount pa rin. So, doon nyo po mas ma-appreciate. So, bakit po tatlo pa lang loan products natin? As mentioned earlier, kakasimula pa lang po ng JRS Credit Cooperative. So, we base the products, especially the loan products that we create based on the needs of our members. So, eventually po, kapag may mga members na po na nagre-request, uy, magdagdag naman kayo ng loan. Let's say na, sample po, educational loan because meron po kayo mga pinapaaral. So, or car loan or housing loan. We will definitely consider that depending on the needs of the members. And of course, if the cooperative can provide such loan. Kasi mamaya maglabas na po tayo ng car loan. So, hindi naman natin kaya pautangin yung mga members ng pang-car loan kasi wala pa tayong financial liquidity. So, slowly but surely, as we grow, as we progress as a cooperative, as we grow in terms of members, in terms of capitalization, yung liquidity na natin, lalaki rin po ito. We are confident that mabibigay naman natin yung iba't ibang mas malalaki type of loan na kailangan ng mga members natin. But slowly but surely, ito pa lang po yung mga products na pwedeng i-avail ng mga members na magpa-qualify dun po sa mga iba't ibang loan products natin. So to give more details about JERA's Credit Cooperative, diba, parang nagtataka ba kayo na kakasimula niyo pa lang but you were able to raise such big amount of money, no? So wala pa kayong 9 months. I think magte 10 months pa lang naman pala this October. But we were able to generate, or at least our members were confident in terms of contributing a big amount of money because for the reason that bago po pagkaroon ng cooperative na ang pangalan ay JERA's, isa na pong community si JERA's. I mean, we are in existence for 7 years already. So magkakakilala na po talaga yung mga founding members, or at least the first 30 members of the cooperative are familiar with each other. So sabi ko po kanina, kapag nagtatayo po ng isang cooperative, meron po commonality or common bond or common interest. Yung mga tao, bakit sila nagtayo ng cooperative? Pagdating po sa JERA's, ang commonality po namin or common interest or common bond ng mga grupo, ng community po ng JERA's ay all of us participate or are interested in exploring offshore investment. Okay, ulitin ko po. Lahat po ng founding members ng JERA's Credit Cooperative were investors already. So hindi po kami bago sa mundo na pag-i-invest. So majority, most of us, may experience na po sa pag-i-invest sa Forex, sa precious metals na ini-invest po sa ibang bansa. So for the past 7 years, yun po ang ginagawa natin sa community ng JERA's. But just this year, we decided that bakit hindi natin gawing cooperative so we can accommodate more members, more people to our community na mangyayari po is makapagpautang tayo sa mga may kailangan. And yung mga meron ng pera na naitatabi na gusto mas malaking interest, mas malaki po ang maibibigay natin compared na ilalagay lang nila sa bangko yung pera nila. So yun po ang reason bakit po nakapagpatayo ng isang magandang cooperative ang JERA's Credit Cooperative. So ito po yung mga early pictures ng mga founding members natin. So mga bata pa po sila dito. Yan sila, Chairman and Vice Chairman and Sir Joma. I think this was 2016, 2017. So di pa sila mga ganong stress, no? But kidding aside, so as young as they were before, they're very aggressive in terms of building a community na talaga mag-spread ng financial literacy, mainly dito sa Baguio City. So ayan po, as proof po ng mga seminars, mga trainings, mga financial literacy or trading seminars na ginagawa po ng JERA's, ito po yung mga pictures. Most of them, yung mga attendees natin, are young or young at heart at least. No? So even major trading events or events in Metro Manila i-sponsor din po tayo, or at least yung mga partners po natin, located outside the Philippines. Nagko-conduct din po sila ng mga seminars, nag-sponsor din po sila because their heart is also to spread proper financial literacy. So pagtuturo po ng tamang pag-i-invest sa mga Filipino. So very, very good po ganong interest. No? So of course, we are young. We also know how to enjoy. So ito, matagal na po ito. Pre-pandemic pa to. So we were able to relax or unwind po I think this was in Coron. So Coron, yeah. Coron po ito. So kami po mga bagets. Yan, may bagets po kami lahat dyan. So nag-enjoy naman po kami. Of course, we know how to work hard, but we also know how to enjoy life. So yun po ang balance na meron tayo sa cooperative natin. Yeah, so patuloy po yung mga seminars na ginagawa natin. We have partners not only here in the Philippines but abroad as well. Okay, sabi nga nila, the best proof or evidence of a successful business or organization are testimonials from the members, mga long-time partners and members of organizations. So please indulge me in sharing this short video clips, yung mga part ng community natin in our cooperative for the past years.
Hello, Team JERA. Congratulations on moving to the next steps and starting this cooperative. which will be beneficial for everyone and for our future. We've come a long way since 2017, and from those early years when we were hesitant, now we're with full confidence that our future is secured with your partnership with GFS and with the trusted people, of course, in the JERA team. So looking forward to our future, and more power to everyone. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, JERA and GFS Peeps, for the birth of JERA Savings and Credit Cooperative. The minute Sir Pao mentioned this in the GC, I felt so excited because for the last 2 months, I've been really looking for a cooperative to join with. So, I think it's answered prayer for me. I DK with you people. Cheers, and wishing each and every one of us a happy new beginning at JERA Savings and Credit Cooperative. God bless us all.
Congratulations, Pao, on your new business venture, and may it prosper more in the years to come. We have been with JERA from the very beginning, and we are very fortunate to have them by our side through our financial journey. With the trustworthy, passionate, and dedicated people behind JERA, there's no doubt that it will be successful in the future. Once again, congratulations, more power, and may God bless you more.
We have been extremely satisfied clients of JERA since 2017. I think it was early 2017. So we've been clients for more than 5 years now. I think it's turning 6. And we look forward to more fruitful years of business partnerships with you as investors, of course. And we just look forward to whatever the future has. And congrats again. I'll see you soon, Pao.
A toast and cheers to the opening of your new business venture. I have been a client of JERA for the past 5 years and very happy with them. Sending you all my warmest congratulations and best of luck. My sincere support will always be with you all. See you all in Manila.
Hello, JERA FX. I am Guru from GFS Asia. I would like to say congratulations for JERA Cooperative to achieve certificate of registration. So pleased to see you accomplish the great things. This will bring you to the next level. I hope our business relationship will grow more bigger in the coming future. Once again, congratulations.
Hello, JERA FX. I would like to take this time on this beautiful Saturday morning to congratulate you on your cooperative. Now, guys, I'm truly happy that fate has brought us together and that we had time to meet each other. And we have done a few projects, and we have been with you guys already for a few years. And I'm truly glad that we have crossed paths, and I hope that we will have many projects ahead, many years ahead, and that we will be able to work together and do our best. Guys, thank you very much. Congratulations, and let's look forward for a bigger and brighter future.
Okay, so napanood niyo po yung mga testimonials or at least congratulatory messages from our partners or investors and long-time clients. So kung napansin niyo po doon, meron po mga foreign individuals, no, sila Sir Janice and Sir Guru. They've been with us or at least a partner for the past 7 years already. So to give you an overview kung paano ba talaga nag-ooperate even before yung community ng JERAs, we have a fund manager that is in the person of Sir Johnny. So siya yung nagmamanage ng fund ng community ng JERA. So we are investing in sabi ko kanina, in foreign currencies, in precious metal. So most, or actually all of the members of our community for the past 7 years are passive type of investors. So talagang naglalagay lang sila ng pera, and of course, kapag profitable, yung naging trades ng fund manager natin, they get their share in profit. So for the past 7 years, we are clear in terms of sharing the profits, even the capital, may mga nag-withdraw nating mga clients and investors, wala po naging problema si Jeras community. Then, right now, as a cooperative, I would say that as a general manager, the operations are still highly tied up with those person, kila Sir Jans, because sila na yung proven and tested na pinaglalagay ng pera natin. That's also the reason actually why we can provide big amount of interest sa mga deposit products natin. Because for the past 7 years, they've been performing very, very good, very, very well. Na kaya-kaya natin ibigay sa mga members natin whatever the interest on their time deposits na sinasabi natin sa deposit contracts nila. And we are somehow sure that eventually, though we will be exploring kapag we can be a multi-purpose cooperative na we will explore other types of businesses, yung mga traditional, just like I would say mga grocery, yung mga gasoline station, probably yung mga rentals, di ba? But still, GFS Asia or yung fund management company ni Sir Janice will still be part of our organization kasi sila na yung nagpo-provide ng liquidity ng organization natin dito sa cooperative. So, moving forward, let's now talk about the duties and responsibilities of a cooperative. So hindi lang to about putting your money sa cooperative tapos papalaguin natin, ipapautang natin sa mga members. No, this is a two-way type of relationship, sabi nga nila, na you have expectations from the cooperative, the organization. Meron din po ang expectation or at least kayong responsibility towards the organization being a member of Jeras Credit Cooperative. So ito po yung pledge of allegiance na tinatawag natin kapag we conduct General Assembly meetings. So ito po yung mga, kumbaga merong panatang makabayan, no? Kapag yung nag-aaral tayo before, may mga panatang makabayan sinasabi. Ito naman po yung pledge of allegiance ng cooperative. Okay, ng Jeras Credit Cooperative. So makikita nyo po dito yung mga, some of the rules, some of the responsibilities of being a member, no? So may mga installment, mga kailangan yung bayaran sa mga obligation nyo po. So sa organization, yung mga membership fees, yung mga payment nyo po pag sa share capital. Of course, pagbabayad nyo po ng mga inutang nyo, diba? So pagpatronize sa mga businesses and services ng cooperative dahil negosyo nyo po ito. So as member, as kamay-ari, yun po yung tawag sa atin, no? Kamay-ari ng cooperative ng JERA. So bilang kamay-ari, kailangan po natin i-patronize yung mga products and services natin para po maging profitable yung negosyo natin itong kooperatiba. So next to that is to attend and participate in deliberation of matters taken during General Assembly. So we conduct annual General Assembly and most likely by next year, sometime in May, April, if not, I think April or May. So magkakaroon naman tayo formal announcement na ito po yung may date ng General Assembly natin and you are invited. Actually, you are required to attend yung General Assembly ng cooperative natin. Because sabi nga kanina, doon po natin pagdidesisyonan yung mga bagay po, whether, especially kapag a big decision pertaining to the operations of our cooperative. So you have to be there, you must be there so we can hear your opinion, your voice, and you actually can vote sa mga decision making na gagawin natin. Of course, observe and obey lawful orders, decision and rules and regulations stated in the bylaws of our cooperative. So kapag naging member na po kayo ng official, fully pledged member of our cooperative, you will be provided with the articles of cooperation and bylaws para familiar po kayo sa responsibilities sa member, what you can expect from the management, from the board of directors, paano po ba yung flow ng operation sa isang cooperative, di ba? Kasi bilang kamay-ari, ipagkakatiwala nyo po yung pera nyo sa cooperative natin, you must know your rights and responsibilities as well. So, ayun po. Okay, so how to be a member is very simple. So, attend PMES. I just want to congratulate you na tapos yun na po yung number 1. So, nakapag-attend na po kayo ng PMES or Pre-Membership Education Seminar, next to that is provide one valid ID na meron pong address currently na within Cordillera Administrative Region. So, kailangan din po namin ng picture or photo para po sa ID na ipoprovide natin sa mga members. So, of course, accomplish the membership form and subscription form. So, ang laman po ng subscription form, dito po nakalagay kung ilang shares ng cooperative ang i-avail nyo po. Number 4 is pay on a minimum 4,000 pesos. Ano ba yung composition ng 4,000 pesos na to? First is your subscription of at least 25% of 100 shares of Jeras Cooperative. So, ulitin ko po. Kailangan po, based on the bylaws, articles of cooperation natin, each person na gusto maging member po ng cooperative natin must subscribe to at least 100 shares of our cooperative na ang cost po or value is 100 pesos per share. So, di ba, Harvey, 10,000 dapat yun kasi 100 shares tapos 100 pesos per share. Correct. But you are only required to pay sa simula, 25% of that, at least 25% of that, which is equivalent to 2,500 pesos. So yung the rest, which is 7,500, you may pay that in the next 24 months. So pay that in installment, di ba? So magaan po, sobrang gaan po talaga. So next to that is a membership fee of 500 pesos, miscellaneous fee of 200 pesos, hospitalization and assistance and burial assistance. So ito pong dalawa na to because we are providing insurance, burial assistance and hospitalization assistance to our qualified members. So, sabihin kapag something happened to the member, tapos na-hospitalize siya, meron po siya makukuha na equivalent amount of money from our cooperative. Of course, provided that nag-qualify po siya sa mga limitations ng insurance requirements. Kasi ina-outsource din po naman natin to sa mga insurance companies. Of course, burial assistance, if something happened or the member passed away, at least yung mga beneficiaries or family members, meron po ma-receive na, I would say, parang tulong from the cooperative. Okay, so meron po ma-receive yung member na, meron po ma-receive yung family member or beneficiaries na pipiliin ng member na nag-pass away. And of course, avail any of the savings and loan products. So, kailangan po nyo mag-avail. Mangutang po kayo sa kooperatiba natin at mag-avail po ng mga savings products as well. So, ito po yung mga requirements to be a member of our cooperative. And how can you reach us? So, ito po address natin. We are located in Baguio City. To be specific, we are in CYA Center Building, Cannon Road. If you're familiar with Baguio General Hospital, across lang po tayo. So meron pong security bank doon po sa ground floor ng building. And here is the mobile number of our cooperative. You can contact us Monday to Friday except holiday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So ito po yung email address natin. If you prefer to communicate with us through email, ito po, you can reach us here. And meron din po tayong Facebook account, so Jeras Cooperative. Please, like, share, and even follow our Facebook page para po maging updated kayo if you choose to be part. If you decide to be part of our cooperative, para po yung mga announcement natin, doon po natin ilalagay. Of course, you'll be part of group chat din sa Facebook Messenger. Ilalagay, mag-a-announce po tayo doon. Okay, so if you have questions, please type po dun sa chat box natin para po masagot natin. Or if you prefer na mag-unmute, you may do so we can answer your question. Let's answer at least mga 2 questions. If you have, sige po, pwede po kayo mag-unmute or type nyo po dun sa chat box if you have questions. Ayan. So, if you do not have question, meron po akong sinend sa group chat natin. So, kindly check yung chat box natin dito sa Zoom. Meron po akong sinend doon na Google link. So, please click that link tapos para provide po kayo ng information as proof that you were able to finish this pre-membership education seminar. So, kapag kinlik nyo po yung link na to, makakita po kayo ng Google form asking for your information para po dun po yun po yung ilalagay natin sa PMES certificate na ipoprovide po natin sa inyo as proof that you're able to finish this PMES. And if you have questions, siguro, okay, so clear po ba yung instruction na you have to click the link tapos provide your information? If clear po yung instruction, kindly please thumbs up. Mag-react po tayo doon para po aware ako na wala po kayong questions on how to go about how to receive the certificate po. Ayun. So, thank you, Sir John. So, thank you for that confirmation. So, okay. So, as we are about to end our PMES, may I request everyone to turn on your camera para po meron tayong evidence, proof of your attendance. Mabilis na screenshot lang. Yun. Sige. So, lahat po ba tayo register na dun sa link na na-click na po natin, na-provide na yung requested information? Pa-thumbs up naman if okay na tayo doon. Sige po. So, please give your best smile. So, ngiti po tayo. And so, let me count on 3. So, please smile. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay, so we're done. So again, if you're done clicking yung Google form link tapos na-provide na po yung information, please expect an email from us maybe tomorrow around afternoon para po dun sa certificate or the form or the application form para po maging member ng cooperative. And if you have question, please reach us you can communicate to us through email or dito po. Yan. So nakikita po ba tong screen? Wait lang. Yan. So you can reach us dito po sa mga channels na to. So if you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong na may isip before you sleep or tomorrow morning, kung bigla kayo nagising na nakalimutan ko yung tanong kay Harvey, so tanongin ko nga ngayon. So you can communicate to us kahit po tumawag, mag-text, mag-email, or even chat us sa Facebook page natin. Just introduce yourself that you were able to attend tonight's PMES para po ma-recognize po namin kayo. So, having said that, thank you very much. Thank you everyone for allotting your time, for spending a little over an hour dito po sa PMS natin. Hopefully, you'll be part of our organization, Jera's Credit Cooperative. Again, this has been Harvey De Jesus, your General Manager, and thank you for your time and mabuhay po kayong lahat. Thank you po. Good night, everyone.